Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing the workspace. Work with 2 people and clear a 7-foot-tall area in front of the garage door. Disconnect power to the existing opener and unplug the unit. If the door has torsion springs, release tension only if you are trained or call a pro. Gather tools. A 10-foot rail or rail kit that matches door height, ladder, drill with bits, a 3/4-inch wrench, locking pliers, and safety glasses to protect eyes and hands. Assemble the 10-foot rail to the trolley and attach the trolley to the motor carriage following the manufacturer's template. Measure and mount the header bracket centered above the door and position it approximately 2 inches above the top section. Tighten hardware until snug. Lift the motor unit onto the ladder, align the rail with the header bracket, and fasten the rail to the motor. Secure the motor into ceiling joists with lag bolts using a 3/4-inch wrench, and add vibration isolators if provided. With power restored, program remotes by pressing the opener's Learn button and then pressing each remote button within 30 seconds until the unit responds. Repeat for keypads using the keypad code sequence. Set travel limits so the door stops 1 to 2 inches above the floor, and adjust force so the door reverses on a firm hand test. Many units use percentage force settings like 25% increments. Verify safety eyes are aligned and at 6 inches above floor line. Then run 10 open-close cycles to confirm smooth operation and tight hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.